So can you get away with shooting on your iPhone? People think that if I shoot on my iPhone, it's going to look like a potato. It's not going to look good. In this video, I'm going to show you by layering on lighting, turning off the house lights, using professional lights, using a external microphone, and adding some backlights, how you can get a professional quality picture out of your cell phone. I'm currently using an iPhone 15 Pro right now, not on cinematic mode. I actually don't like it. I think on the edges it doesn't look great. Just regular 4K 24 frames a second, and I hit record and I have my external light, external mic, and this is the picture quality that you're getting out of it. So I'm going to show you layering it on one by one, just like the difference you can hear with the external mic, and then when I turn off the house lights and when I use an external light source. So this is what it looks like. No microphone, no lighting on an iPhone 15 Pro. See the quality, and the house lights are on, no like special lighting of any sorts. So this is now the difference recording. Same setup, same iPhone 15 Pro, but now I added a wireless mic just from Rode. Gonna get a lot better audio, but you can see the picture quality still isn't great. Still have the house lights on, no fancy editing, nothing done. And next I'm gonna add in lighting. So now we've added the good lighting. So we have a key light here. I've got backlight there. That's an LED RGB panel. This is light strips over here. We got the good audio. Again, just using the iPhone 15 Pro. So you'll see a huge difference when you add lighting and you add a good microphone. Just two simple purchases, really a cheap light, maybe like $100. These are 200, and just using your phone, and this is the quality that you're going to get. Thanks so much for sticking around to the end of the video. It's Dave here at Duff Media. And like I said before, you don't have to get a professional camera. I mean, the cameras that are in the cell phones are really so good now. As you can see, the image quality is great. I'm just using an external light, an external mic. I've set it up, I've cleaned up the scene behind me, and it looks great. So now that you know how to make a professional looking video with your iPhone, you can jump into one of my other videos in this series where I show you how to come up with a mountain of different content ideas. And then once you have those content ideas, I'll show you how to organize all those ideas as well. We'll see you in the next one.